digital marketers. This is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to configure GA4 View Item event for Shopify store by using Google Tag Manager. So before I started, we have to confirm that two things. First one is you have to enabling your website data layer with Google Tag Manager, and second one is you have to connect your Shopify store in Google Analytics 4 and confirm both of things. Then you can go to View Item event. If you do not watching our part 1 and 2, then I will keep that link on the description box. You can check it out. So let's get started. This is our Shopify store. We want to create a GA4 View Item event. For that, so for the Google Analytics 4 GA4 event, we have three recommended parameters. Here you see View Item event and currency value items. Those three parameters are required for the View Item event. So first you have to create the three parameters. So go to Google Tag Manager and just we are go to our website and just open a product page as a View Item event and check it out. Our data layer is working perfectly or not. Then go to Google Tag Manager and then preview options, and that is our website. We are connecting Tag Assistant, and here see that is our Shopify store, and open a product page, and here see that is our product page, and back to Google Tag Assistant and check it out. Our View Item event is working or not. Here see View Item event is already working. We can take any kind of parameters from this data layer. So we are already said that we need to create a three parameters. One is currency. So how to create a currency variable? Look, see under the e-commerce sections, we can see the currency. So pick the firstly e-commerce dot currency, and for the value we are also parental topic e-commerce dot value, and third one is items. We are firstly taking the e-commerce, then items. So let's back to Google Tag Manager and creating three parameters. So go to variables, and under the user defined variables, click new and click the data layer variable. Data layer variable name will be e-commerce dot currency. Giving a name of the variable, that is DLB currency. Save it. And second one is value. Again, data layer variable e-commerce dot value, and put a name DLB value. Save it. And now third one, data layer variable e-commerce dot items, DLB items. Save it. We are already creating three variables. Now go to tag and create a new tag. In the tag configuration sections, we are go to Google Analytics, and here we pick the Google Analytics GA4 event and put the measurement ID here. So where we find the measurement ID, we are go back to the Google Analytics 4 and collected our measurement ID. That is our Google Analytics 4 property, and you can just go to the admin or settings. Under the data collection and modifications sections, you can go to the data stream, and that is our Shopify store, and click it. Here we can find out the measurement ID, copy the measurement ID and back to the Google Tag Manager and paste the measurement ID. Which event we have to track, that is View Item. So you can find out the event name from the Google Tag Assistant. Here is View Item, copy the View Item as an event, paste the View Item. Under the event parameters sections, we have to add the three parameters. Those we are created before. Add parameter, and what is the parameters names we have to put. We are see here is the three parameters name. We are putting the as it is name. If you have any kind of spelling mistake, your event is not firing perfectly. So you can just copy from that and back to the Google Tag Manager and paste the event parameters name. Currency, what is the value? We are also created data layer variable for the currency. So we are just putting the value here. DLB value at second one at parameter. Second one is value, DLB value. Third one is items, DLB items. We are adding required three parameters. Now let's move to triggering. Click the triggering and create the new trigger. Here we will put the custom event. Again we are put the event name. Where we find out, to go back to Google Tag Assistance and copy the View Item as event name. Back to Google Tag Manager and paste the View Item. Here we giving a name for this trigger, that is event View Item. So save it, and finally we are giving a name of the tag, that is GA4 View Item. Save it, So we are already done. We are now examine that our GA4 View Item tag is fired perfectly or not. And second one is our website data are passing to the Google Analytics 4 and not. So preview, continue, and that is our website. We are now go to a product page, that is t-shirt printing, and now back to the Google Tag Assistance. Looks great. G4 View Item tag is fired perfectly, and we are now go to the Google Analytics 4 and the data display sections. We are go to the debug view. That's looking also great. View item event is working perfectly. So click the view item. Now we check it out. Our three parameters which we have created, that is showing here or not. One is currency, that is looking great. And second one is value, and click the value 15. Our three parameters are working perfectly. Currency, value, our items parameters are looking here perfectly. So finally we are go back to Google Tag Manager and go to the submit option. Here we're putting a version name, that is we are created GA4 View Item, then publish. So congrats, we are successfully set up a Google Analytics 4 View Item event for Shopify store by Google Tag Manager. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.